We were bullish on natural gas since long now, and finally, net gas has breached past 2.5. In fact, has gone close to the next resistance level at 2.6. So 2.58, 2.6 levels. Certainly a good resistance it has provided. Since then, net gas has reversed. At the same time, crude oil is trading very much in a modest range. 70.5, 70.4 is still going to be the support level. So what to expect today, which position you should take in order to profit trading crude oil and net gas, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. You can also remain updated by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we'll look into US crude, followed with net gas. Do watch till the end. Now, first, let's have a look at the hourly chart. See, first of all, this is the pole. Flat top here, 71.8 is something. I will wait for it to break past by. It has given a very stronger resistance for crude oil since last few trading sessions. That is very clear. It has to break past this in order to reverse. Now see, it is trading in this bearish channel so far, and that is why once again wait for it to break past 71.5. Beyond that you can expect 71.8, 72, and trading above 72 certainly should be called for a reverse. On the other hand, below 70.5, 70.5 also is acting as a wall. 70.5, 70.4 levels below that. That is the level 70.2, 70 till 70 it has got very good support, and then 69.4 will come into picture. Right now it is trying to retrace here, and a breakout should be a very strong one which is going to take oil fly high. Early stochastic trying to reverse, it tried to trade it oversold, now trying to bounce back. The MACD is trying to converge crossover. See, this was the double bottom, and then since then it is trading bullish so far. RSI trying to look upward, show a little strength. Now on the 2-hour charts too, see, you will find 70.5, 70.4 given it a good support. It is trying to rise. In fact, I will recommend you to buy here at 71.2. Expect 71.5, 71.8, and beyond that it is going to give you a very massive rise. Stochastic oversold. MACD trying to converge crossover for a buy. It is still on the sell side. RSI trying to look upwards and show a little strength here. Now look at the 3-hour chart. Now on the 3-hour chart, see, you should consider this as almost flat bottom, and from here it is trying to recover. The next candle when it starts, and if it stays above 71.2, possibly we can see a V-shaped recovery for 71.5, 71.8 level. Now again, the zone at 71.5, 71.8, 70 is going to play an important role. Now what has happened here, see the rise here, the retracement here, and if it reverses from here, it will again start to give a second rally which is going to take it till towards 73.5 plus levels. Stochastic oversold. MACD is in green, however it is not yet crossed over for a sell, and it is trading with very little divergence. RSI at comfortable levels and trying to look upwards and trade with a bullish bias. Now look at 4-hour chart. See, here is the potential reversal sign. Once you see it trading above 71, 71.2, you can stay long in gold for crude oil for 71.5, 71.8 levels, and beyond that we can see it flying high further. Stochastic oversold. MACD is in green. It is trying to trade with little divergence, yet however we can see the impact is very minuscule. If you look at RSI, this is trading flat here, and look at the daily charts. Now see, on the daily charts, first of all, the new candle on this chart is here to start. However, look at the charts there. Almost flat top has been seen here. A reversal confirmation only and only if it breaks past 71.8. Beyond that, certainly we can see a bullish momentum to follow. Else, see, this is the first red candle. There could be a second red candle which might keep itself engulfed between 69.4 and then 72 levels. So this $2.5 one should be potentially very cautious. Stochastic oversold on the daily chart. See, MACD on the other hand is trying to converge crossover for a buy entry, and oil has almost seen a bottom. It is trying to recover from here. Let's see if it does show you a crossover. RSI trading comfortable near to bottom. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 71. Expect 71.2, 71.5, 71.8 levels. See, very nearby, but cannot afford to give you a larger range, so that because we know that there is a greater resistance here lying at 71.8, 72, and hence we have to strictly trade with a trailing stop loss of just 20 cents. Take your trades accordingly. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 70.4, below which you can expect 70.2, 70, 69.6, 69.4. And if any point of time it drops below 69.4, just stay short and you are going to look at 68.8, 68 levels also. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at net gain. And before we proceed, let me share that the 22nd mentorship batch starts on 1st of June. Register yourself now itself. This is a mentorship batch for 15 live trading sessions, live webinars with 90 minutes duration each, where we are going to teach you the strategy so that you can trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at net gas on the early. Now look at net gas, how beautifully it has gone to the next resistance levels at 2.58, and we were bullish on net gas since long. It has precisely achieved the levels here. Now look at the hourly chart. On the hourly charts, 2.455, 2.46, 2.45 levels, very strong support. Specifically look at these three candles getting rejection at 2.46 levels, and with that as support it is trying to bounce back. So a sell entry today in net gas I will recommend is below 2.44, below which you can expect 2.42, 2.4 till 2.36. We have to trail our stop losses with just 2 cents trailing stop loss. Remember this fact. Now see, on the hourly charts, net gas traded with divergence from the moving average is converged and now trading below, and also the moving average have started to converge. These are not yet crossed over. Also 2.48 is a very good resistance. You can buy at 2.48, expect 2.5, and then beyond that certainly it is going to fly high for 2.54, 2.6 levels. Stochastic is oversold on the early charts. MACD is still divergent and bearish. RSI almost flat, and if you look at 2 hour, now look at 2 hour charts, look at the divergence here. It converged back to 20 period moving average. Possibly from here it can diverge again. If you see it trading about 2.48, certainly one can stay long, and then one can expect 2.5, 2.54, 2.58 or 6 levels. 2.6 certainly first and very stronger resistance there. Now see, 20 period moving average giving it a very good support, and that is why below 2.44 you can sell and expect 2.4 to 2.4. Also if you look at the moving averages have shown extreme divergence, and hence a little conversion cannot be denied here, which means a little bearishness may be seen. Stochastic oversold. MACD on the 2 hour charts is still divergent and bearish. It has a potential for it to continue with the downward momentum. RSI has come out of the overbought zone, trying to trade with a little drop. If you look at 3 hour charts, likewise on the 3 hour charts it is trying to show you a pullback. Possibly once it stays below 2.44, more bearishness may prevail. Stochastic oversold. See, the MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, trading with a slight bearish bias. You can see this is the second wave here. Potentially it can try to pull it little down before showing you a bounce back. Stochastic has dropped, it was overbought. Now look at 4 hour charts, almost flat bottom here. Yes, below 2.4544 levels you can sell, expect 2.4 to 2.4 levels is a very good support. Stochastic looking down. MACD trying to converge crossover for a sell. It is not yet crossed over. RSI has come out of the overbought zone, trying to trade with a slight bearish bias. Now look at the daily chart. See, on the daily chart, net gas traded outside Bollinger Band. This is the third consecutive bullish candle, and see, it is seen the top of this channel here, 2.58, 2.6, very good resistance. Now the support for net gas exists at 2.4, and any point of time it trades below 2.4, 2.38 zone. Certainly more bearishness may prevail, where it can try to hit back till towards 2.3 levels. For the day, the new candle when it starts, and if you see it trading above 2.48, certainly you can stay long again. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD divergent, bullish, looking upwards. RSI almost flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 2.48 levels and sell at 2.44 levels. In between these 4 cents, do not take any position. On the downside till 2.4, very good support exists. In fact 2.38 also. These two levels, if it breaches pass by, then more bearishness might take it for 2.35, 2.3 level. Till the time it respects this level, certainly one can stay bullish, and that is why above 2.48 is stay long for 2.5, and then 2.54, 2.6 levels can also be expected. Again, take your trades accordingly. Remember, the day is long, the trading has just started, almost 16 hours are left, and we can see a couple of swings with the data, with the US session, with the Europe session, and hence you should strictly trade with the trailing stop loss. Also, you can be part of my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for more details on both. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.